eating.
Do you guys want to help make some bickies for a video? I am about to make the easiest bickies in the world. So if you get like a last minute phone call and it's from Auntie Marjorie, if Auntie Marjorie's on her way, and Auntie Marjorie, I don't know who Auntie Marjorie is, but Marjorie wants bickies and she's on her way. 3 ingredients, super quick to make, just 10 minutes in the oven and they're done. So first of all, we want some butter. I just use table spread, but and then you put those in. It's best if the butter is at room temperature. However, Marjorie's on her way, so we haven't got time. So, I'm liking this Marjorie thing. I need someone called Marjorie. 225 grams of butter.
Whoa.
Now this is a very adaptable recipe as well, in that you can make it just plain with these 3 ingredients, or you can add some chocolate chippies to it, you can add raisins to it, you can add, like, you know, a teaspoon of cinnamon or ginger or whatever, so you know you can zhuzh them up a bit. Is zhuzh a word? Zhuzh is now a word.
Oh, no, I do not like the word zhuzh.
You don't like the word zhuzh?
Yeah.
Zhuzh. So we want to cream the butter up.
I will cream it.
You can add the sugar. Okay, so it's nice and smoosh. No, you can't lick it. You want to add the sugar in here, Sam, until it says...
Okay.
No, not all of that. Use this until that says 110.
Can you tell me?
I will help you out. Then, gonna whiz the butter and sugar up again.
Could I do it this time? Looks like we did it
Oh,
last
so you can do the next next.
time.
No, you may not lick it. Gonna put some flour in, Eston. You just pop that one in. Hang on. Right, so it's 275 grams of flour. Those ingredients go. That is it.
I put this.
Now, I did say Sam could do this, Wes. Yep.
Half
On the first one. Yep.
And then that's like ice cream crumble.
Now, just want to get little ballies, sort of about, I don't know, maybe golf ball sized or a bit smaller. Just flour the balls a little bit, and just go press them down. And I'm just going to pop these in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. There's little crumblies all over the bench. Who's going to help with that?
Me.
Oh look, child number 3 has suddenly become interested.
I can't reach it. Me.
Alright, I've just had them cooling on the bench for a few minutes. Look at those, just slightly nice and brown on the bottom. Yummy on the top. Of course it depends what size you make them as to how long they'll need baking. I like them so they are still just slightly doughy in the middle. But that is so yummy. It is just a nice, simple, plain bicky recipe. Super duper yummy with, you know, some chocolate chips added. Add a bit of coconut in there. Add a bit of cinnamon, add a bit of ginger, as I say, mix it up. But they are just so yummy. They're so nice, plain. Marjorie's gonna love them. I'll let the harshest critics have a taste shortly. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and have fun out there. Professional tasting panel. Give me a Your opinions?
Very nice. It'd go well with a hint of lemon or feijoa in our case.
Lemon rind would be very nice. Well, lots of biscuits.
It's nice and perfect on the